Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, we will try to learn about how we can download the program to LS PLC model which I am using LS PLC XEC-DR60SU. Let's get started. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. First of all, we will open our XG5000 software and click OK. As this program will be open, after you have to be go to the project. Just here we have to be clicking at the new project, and here you have to be select your PLC which model you have. That CPU series XGB IEC and CPU type which I am already told you XEC-DR60SU, and company name means PLC name LS PLC, and here you have to be give your project name, and you can give that's based on your choice. An example, I will write the program name download test, and after you can click it OK. Now your project is created, and just you have to be just create the project first. For an example, we just create here an latch and latch program. So here you can see this window scan F3, F4, SF1. This all is are the bits inside symbols. You can take it from here. Example, first of all, we will take the first bit here and place it in the PLC. And here we have to be give the name of bit, yani which button we like to be use, that button we have to make it here. And variable name, how we can give in the LS PLC, you just have to be write first of all that percent sign. After you have to be write the if physical inputs of the PLC like to be using, you have to be use I signal look like Siemens, and if you like to use the internal memory pulse, so you can M write, yani M. If you direct just write only M0, also it will be type, yani first internal bit. You can see it's here percentage sign MX0 means this is internal memory bit first, yani 0. And next we have to be choose just only this one, this F9 press also you can take, and here click also you can take. Here you have to be write the output. What's the name, yani you can write it here percentage means M, that's right to be QX0. When you write the QX0 means the first bit of your PLC, this is the X0. And next we have to be take the one open contact and place it here, which is the number take we have to be open contact of the QX0, because of we are making the latch and latch program, and click it here QX0. And this you can make it here just connect with this line F6. When you press, after you can connect this one here link, yani right, this is now open contact. And next you have to be take it here one close contact for the stop push button. This is you can also take for the internal memory QX0. You have to be write the MX0.1, yani first bit we will choose 0.1, sorry, or just only when you write it here M1, after it will be automatically selected MX1. This is the internal memory M01 and M0, and just this program we will be download into the PLC. Go to the online, and first you have to be check the connection, make it connect, and your PLC will be here. Now in run condition showing right downside, this means our PLC connection is ready. So just you can go to the online, and here you can see the option write. Now you like to be download the program, you have to be click it on the right, and again click it OK, and again he asking for to stop the PLC first, and click it OK. Can see now your program is now start downloading into the PLC. As this will be finished, it will be now message came writing completed, and now he is asking for to make it the run mode. Just click it on yes. You it's now go into the automatically in run mode. And now next procedure is have to be go to the monitor, and this is the first option, start monitoring. Now your program is monitoring, and just we have to be right click it on this M0, and here you can see the change current value. Click it on this one, and here you can see the window. If you press this one is true, and if you press this one means false. We have to press true, yani means we like to be make it on X0. Sorry, first bit yani QX0. Click it OK. You can see your output is now energized. And as you will be again click it OK, this will be stop, but your output is still on because of we using the hold system. We make it the latch program with this relay, means look like this is Y0 yani, and when you give the signal at this M1, after your output will be close, and again you have to be press this one to the false, this will be going to the false condition, right? So this way you can download the program into the LS PLC. Hope guys you will be understand about this downloading program, how to download the program. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.